Hey people, well here's my third score of 2017. This is a Lakewood model S-122 from sometime in the early 70s. In, you guessed it, Terra-cotta Orange. Yeah, this is the third Lakewood box van. Well, actually fourth overall if you count the S-223 I used to have that I gave away to Brian Binkley, or Rusty Baron 45. And first Lakewood mini boxer in that color that I ever owned. This from like sometime in 1973 or earlier, probably 71 at the latest, seeing that it has the emblem on the front grille with the classic Lakewood logo. And of course it has the little pivot stand. My third Lakewood boxer to have that. Well, third one that I intend to keep. Fourth overall if you count the Windsor branded one I'm giving to Rusty Baron 45. And this fan also comes with the original box. So we'll have a look at the box. Yeah, Lakewood model S-122, 12-inch 2-speed portable fan with attached tilting stand. Yeah, this is all it has on the sides. Lakewood, little up arrow, fragile, as Esky Wolf would pronounce it. And there's the top, and it's kind of falling in because the side flaps are missing. It's got this little thing right here. Fragile, this side up, Lakewood model S-122, and it's got the shipping information, but most of it's faded, so can't make out most of it. And overall, we'll look at the fan itself. Have a look at that Terra-cotta Orange. Gotta love that classic 70s color. This other side. Here's the back. And just like the Windsor branded one from the 60s, as well as the one I'm giving to Rusty Baron 45. This one uses the little GE motor, which is what pretty much all the Lakewood mini boxers used up until like 74 or 75, though a few from that time still had these motors. But it was by 74 or 75 they mostly started using Fasco motors. And there's the top. Yeah, this is the older style speed control sticker for the 2-speed models. This is the brown version. My 78 S-122X has the later white version, which probably came out in late 77. The cabinets went from terracotta orange to peach. We'll give this a run. Here's high. And here's low. Both the speeds run kind of fast on this one. I thought the speeds are the same as on my Windsor box, but it seems they're actually both pretty fast. But it runs just as good as the Windsor. Actually, both of them. Back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. And there you have it. That's my early 70s Lakewood model S-122 in Terra-cotta Orange. So, thank you for watching, everybody.